Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to the Ecotourism Journey channel. This is Paul. Thank you very much everyone for watching my videos and for patronizing the Ecotourism Journey. If this is your first time in my channel, please click subscribe button below. Kindly click also the bell icon so that you will be notified for the new uploaded videos. This video gives an overview and characteristics on the biggest flower in the world found in Southeast Asian countries. The Rafflesia flower. The Rafflesia flower. One of the species found in the ecosystem or in the forest is Rafflesia flower. This species have immense and huge blossoms, the buds ascending from the beginning straightforwardly from the lower stems of their host plants. One of the types of Rafflesia plant has the biggest blossoms on the earth. Rafflesia plant has no stems, leaves or roots. The solitary piece of the plant that can be seen outside the host plant is the five-petaled bloom. The blossoms look and smell like spoiling substance, making it referred to locally as body bloom. This plant is otherwise called the meat bloom. The Rafflesia flower is the biggest on earth and will in general pull in other little living organisms through radiating a scent of dead substance. The foul smell pulls in creepy crawlies, for example, carcass flies, which transport dust from male to female blossoms. The name Rafflesia may sound fascinating to a few, yet not to local people occupants of Southeast Asia. This biggest known individual bloom of the earth is discovered distinctly in Malaysia, Sumatra, Java and Kalimantan of Indonesia, southern Thailand, and southern Philippines. Rafflesia flower was named after Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, an explorer and author of British state of Singapore. Dr. James Arnold, a specialist naturalist who was with Sir Thomas during the 1818 endeavour, was recalled in the species name. Rafflesia arnoldii. There are 28 known types of Rafflesia, and 10 species are recorded in the biggest blossom classification on the planet. The Rafflesia might be the heavyweight champion among blossoms. Notwithstanding, it is additionally very bashful and volatile. Any slight unsettling influences to a realized Rafflesia blossom site could make fertilization around there stop or influence the odds of buds to sprout. The immense Rafflesia bloom doesn't indeed have its own underlying foundations or stems. All things being equal, it connects itself to a host plant, tetrastigma plant, which fills just in the undisturbed tropical jungles to acquire water and supplements. It requires a year and a half for tissue inside the plant to turn into a little earthy colored bud. The bud at that point requires 6 to 9 months to develop into the size of a cabbage. At that point, the earthy colored leaves of the cabbage-like bud begins to open for an additional couple of hours. That is a sum of approximately 27 months. Equivalents to 2 years and 3 months. The blossom stays open just for 5 to 7 days. The spoiled smell of the blossom is expected to the rosy appendage like inside the corolla of petals. Each developed bloom of Rafflesia can deliver millions seeds, yet just 10 to 20% will keep on enduring. For this plant to grow, the seed should discover its way to the host plant. Rafflesia is an imperiled flower species on the planet. It is being undermined by deforestation, logging and ethno-herbal gathering for its alleged restorative properties. The presence of this Rafflesia blossom is exceptional for local people in Southeastern Asia as it sprouts exactly at the region of their lawns. Everybody should consider monitoring the nature to assist this jeopardized species with continuing its reality in this earth. Easiest principle would be not to cull their buds and blossoms. Additionally, to be cautious while traveling along the wilderness covering with the goal that we would not advance on these blossoms. Rafflesia flowers are used by women to stop internal bleeding and shrink the womb after childbirth, as well as for the treatment of fever by some of the Southeast Asian nationals. The bud was once sought after as a traditional medicine. It is used by men as an energy drink or an aphrodisiac. Rafflesia has been considered as the provincial flower of the province of Antique in Panay Island, Philippines. The ecosystem has a major part with this flower since this is one of the tourist attractions. A few vacationers are wanting to see the Rafflesia flowers when going all through Southeastern Asia. There should be an allocated resources for the conservation of this flower for sustainability. It is essential to focus in on the conservation of all species found in diverse environment. What can you say about this video? For further information, please do not hesitate to post comment below. Kindly click subscribe button and bell icon so that you will be updated for the next uploaded videos. I wish that you were able to learn from this video. Thank you very much. God bless.